Good day. In this training video, we will look at how to process a supplier refund in MYOB Advanced. When we receive a supplier refund, we create and process the supplier refund document in the system. The supplier refund increases the balance of the cash account. Before a refund can be processed in MYOB Advanced, there should be an open debit adjustment or prepayment for which we are receiving the refund. Only then can we create the supplier refund document and apply it to the open debit adjustment or prepayment. Let's say that on 18 March 2020, our company receives a $70.50 cash refund from Emperor Office Equipment for a portion of damaged office supplies that we have returned to the supplier. First, we will create and release the debit adjustment for the damaged goods that were returned. From the Payables menu, Transaction section, select Bills and Adjustments and add a new record. Select to process a debit adjustment. Complete the supplier. And now let's enter the supplier reference. We can also enter an optional description. On the Documents Detail tab, let's add a line and copy over our description. Now we can enter the unit cost of $61.30. That is the amount excluding GST. This supplier is set to default an account and sub-account, which we will keep. Once all the mandatory fields have been completed, we can save and release the document. Note the status of open for the debit adjustment and the amount of $70.50. Now we are ready to create the supplier refund check. We can use the shortcut from the screen by clicking on Actions in the Form toolbar and selecting Supplier Refund. The system will advance us now to the Checks and Payment screen. On this screen, note the type of supplier refund. The supplier details came over from the debit adjustment, and so did the payment amount. The payment amount can be adjusted from here should we want to apply the debit amount to more than one supplier refund. On the Documents to Apply tab, we will see the debit adjustment that has been automatically specified in the supplier refund. Because the supplier made the refund by cash, we'll have to change the payment method to cash. And select the cash account to which we receive refunds. Now we can complete the payment reference, which will usually be the check number, but for this cash refund, we'll use the reference supplied. Check the post date and release the supplier refund. On release of the refund, the system updates the current balance of the supplier and generates the batch that posts the refund amount to the specified cash account. As the full debit amount has been applied, in this case, the system closes the supplier refund and debit adjustment documents. On the Financial Details tab, we'll click the number of the generated batch to open the batch for review. The first journal entry debits the check account specified in the supplier refund for $70.50. The accounts payable account is credited for the same amount. Now we can review the balance of the Emperor Office Equipment supplier by using the Supplier Details form under Inquiries in the Payables module. When we select the supplier, we'll notice that the supplier balance is 0. To view the closed documents, check the Show All Document checkbox, and in the list of closed documents, we can see that the debit adjustment and the supplier refund are closed, making a 0 difference to the supplier balance. And this brings us to the end of our look at processing a supplier refund in the system. Please let us know with your feedback and join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.